strokes, like this. Pass over the same spot at least 3 times. Be sure you always lift the roller off your skin and begin the stroke again, upward and outward. You don't want to roll the massager down the face as it can pull the skin down. Always move up and out. When moving to the face, chin, cheeks, and forehead, you want to start at the center and then roll upward and outward towards the hairline. After completing your right side, repeat the process on your left. You can repeat the rolling massage as often as you'd like, but doing this for at least 10 minutes once a day can help improve skin elasticity and stimulate circulation and collagen. Now, let's demonstrate how to reduce puffiness under the eye with the under eye press. While we change the head, here's a quick tip. Never pull the skin surrounding your eye. This is the most sensitive skin on the face, and it can be damaged by pulling. So with the under eye press ready, we'll be moving from the nose towards the temple on the lower eyelid. Let the cool eye press and vibration work to reduce fluid and puffiness for a few seconds. Lift the press off the eye and go to the next spot under the eye and then lay the press down. Repeat the process until your entire under eye has been covered. Move to the other eye and then repeat the process as well. And that's it. Your facial massage is complete. Turn off your massager. Now, on to cleaning and storing. After every massage, especially those where anti-aging serums and creams are being rolled or pressed onto your skin, you'll need to clean the stones. Remove the heads from the handle, and then thoroughly wipe down each stone with a damp cloth. Never run the stone or the units under running water. Once cleaned, store in a dry, safe place.